Whether you are moving to Germany and want to take your car with you, or you have a car dealership and are involved in importing vehicles, we will explain how to import and register your car in the country. This process may seem complicated. From what documents you need, to where you need to go, and even how much it can cost, we tell you all about it in detail. Let's break it down into simple steps. The first step is to take out insurance for the vehicle. Once you have done this, you will receive a 7-digit code called an EVB number, which you will need to register your vehicle at the traffic office. If you have a car dealership and are importing vehicles to sell, you can skip this step. If you are registering a used or second-hand car, the second step is to pass a technical inspection. In German, the inspection is known as Hauptuntersuchung, and the report is called TÜV, short for Technischer Überwachungsverein. The inspection usually takes about 30 minutes. At the end, if everything has gone well, you will receive the TÜV report. With all this done, you can now make an appointment at your nearest local registration office. You will find it written as Kfz-Zulassungsstelle. Don't worry, you don't need to pronounce it correctly. Just know where to go. This procedure can also be done online if your vehicle was first registered after January 1, 2015, and if you also have a German digital ID document. Now let's talk about what you need to bring with you. You will need to present your personal identification document, your insurance EVB number, proof that the car is yours, such as the sales contract. The TÜV report, the Certificate of Conformity. If you do not have it, we're explaining what this is below. The original foreign registration document and your bank details. So, what is the Certificate of Conformity and why do you need it? The Certificate of Conformity, also known as COC, is a document that confirms that your vehicle complies with European safety and emissions regulations. This certificate is also essential for importing and registering vehicles in Europe. If you don't have yours, you can get it at GetCOC. We'll leave the link below in the video description. Once the registration has been approved, you can get your number plates at any shop that sells them. They usually cost between 20 and 50 euros. And finally, the last step is to pay the vehicle tax. You will receive a letter at the address you choose, detailing how much you have to pay and how to do so. Now let's talk about the important stuff. How much does all this cost? Not including the cost of insurance, registering your vehicle can cost between 130 and 400 euros. Although the registration costs may be fixed, the price of the Certificate of Conformity may vary depending on the brand and type of vehicle. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to write us a comment on the video. You can also contact us through our email info@getcoc.eu. If you want to see more content like this, like the video and subscribe.